All right, Cox, listen up. I need some help.
What's up?
I saw this fine hen near my dance floor the other day, and I hit her with my best dance move, but nothing.
What does your dance floor look like?
Spotless, fellas, you know that.
Right. Is that what you were wearing?
Yes.
It's a great fit.
Yeah, it's a great fit. Did you hit it with the sage grass pop?
Yep.
What about the red mannequin moonwalk?
Yes.
The turkey gobble wobble?
Yeah.
The superb bird of paradise smiley face.
Yeah.
Dang, that's a good smiley face.
Okay, show us your routine.
Watch this. These are my confessions. Just when I thought I said all I can say, my chick on the side says she got one.
Stop. Your gobble wobble is lazy and your pop is sloppy. You lost me and I'm not even a hen.
Okay. How would you do it?
If I'm gonna tell it, then I gotta tell it all. Damn near cried.
Okay. Hit it.